How do you say in Hebrew to cough? Let's say you go to the doctor and he's examining you and he's saying, cough, please. So to cough is lehishtael. It is hitpael, but it is one of those hitpael verbs where you separate the prefix hit and you merge it with the root. So it is not lehitshael, it is lehishtael, which is because of the shin. And now, to form the imperative, we use the future tense, and if you say that to a man, you say tishta'el, and to a woman, you say tishta'ali. So, cough, please, would be tishta'el, bevakasha.